I have always cleaned my air fryer wrong and I didn't know. From now on, I just clean it like this, quick and easy. So guys, check this out. If you use air fryer at home, you know that after cooking meat, fish or chicken, it always stays like this, all greased up and dirty. So the first thing people usually do is get a sponge and start scrubbing it. Don't do that, okay? In addition to spending a lot of time scrubbing it, you can end up scratching or even ruining the Teflon of your air fryer. So now I'm gonna show you a very easy and quick way for you to clean up your air fryer without you having to scrub it. So come on. As you can see here, I cooked meat in my air fryer and it's all greasy. And this is impregnated grease, very difficult to remove. So this is what you're gonna do. First thing you're gonna use here is baking soda, a well-known product and very easy to find in any market. So let's add here just 1 tablespoon. Go ahead and add a spoonful. Spread it very well inside the air fryer. And next, we're gonna use detergent. I'm using this one with lemon fragrance, but you can use any other. So let's add 3 tablespoons of detergent, alright? 1. Make sure to spread it well. 2. 3 tablespoons. And finally, let's use white vinegar or alcohol vinegar, okay? We're gonna add the same amount as the detergent, 3 tablespoons. But guys, when you add the vinegar, you see a small reaction. But it is totally okay, because of the baking soda. You see some foam, but this is absolutely normal. And now, that's what you're gonna do. I've already left heating about 2 cups of water. It's not boiling water, folks, just hot water, okay? So, go ahead and pour it inside the air fryer. Notice that the water is already changing color, releasing all the grease. Can you see it? Now, let's leave these products acting here for about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna show you. So guys, after 10 minutes, take a look at the color of the water. At this point, all that impregnated grease has probably come out already. Look that. Now let's discard this dirt water. And let's take a look at it. There is still some residue left. And now you do the following. Take a sponge like this and add just a little detergent. And with the yellow side of the sponge, we're gonna remove all what's left without basically any effort. Check it out. You can remove all these residues even with your finger if you want. This is really efficient. Look at that, no need to scrub it anymore, wasting your time and effort away. All you gotta do is gently wipe with the sponge to remove all the dirt that remains. After removing any residue, now simply go ahead and rinse your air fryer. And check this out. No grease at all, folks. You just don't need to waste any more time scrubbing your air fryer anymore. Look at this. This is clean as new. Just remove all the soap and dry it. That's it. And now take a look at the sink. Look how much dirt we took away. No scrubbing, just our mixture. So that's it, folks. Try this at home, because I'm sure if you do, you're gonna love this for sure.